In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the menu block on Squarespace. To get started, open your Squarespace website and go into editing mode. You'll want to click on Website first and then select Edit so you can make changes to the page layout. This is the area where you can add new content blocks and customize how everything appears on your site. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the section where you want the menu block to appear. Take a moment here to make sure you're placing it in the right part of the page. This is especially helpful if you're building out a restaurant page, a services list, or any section where you want items and prices to be displayed clearly. After that, look to the top left area of the section and click Add Block. This will open the block menu where Squarespace gives you different content options to choose from. From there, find the menu block and drag it into place on the page. Drop it wherever you want it to appear, and Squarespace will automatically insert it into that section. Once the menu block has been placed, double-click on it to open the editing options. This is where you can begin customizing the content. You can add your food items, enter the prices, and adjust the design so it matches the style of your website. If you want your menu to feel more polished, this is a good time to make sure the text is clear, the pricing is consistent, and the overall layout is easy for visitors to read. You'll also notice that Squarespace provides a formatting help tab. This can be very useful if you're unsure about the correct way to structure your menu content. It gives you guidance on how to format the menu block properly so everything displays the way it should. If something doesn't look quite right, checking that help tab can save you time and make the editing process smoother. Once you've updated the contents and adjusted the design, your menu block is ready to go. At that point, you've successfully added it to your Squarespace page. And that's all there is to it. As long as you enter edit mode, choose the right section, add the block, place it, and then customize it, you'll have your menu set up in just a few minutes.